Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some new items from Born Pretty and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them really fast here as you can see because I can't wait to use them. The first item is a 10-in-1 nail gel glue, and this is, as you can see here on the picture, all the uses that you can have for this gel, including applying full cover nail tips. The consistency is really good, I like it. The next item is a thermal gel polish. This will change color with different temperatures. And next I have a beautiful red glitter just in time for Christmas. Wow, this one is so beautiful. And I'm gonna be using all these items today so you guys will see how they actually look on the nails. And the next item I have over here is a magnetic gel polish. For this one, you do need a magnet to move around the magnets inside the gel polish and create different designs if you can. I'm not very good at it, but I keep practicing. And last, I have a liner gel. This is a beautiful glitter liner gel. I have never used gels directly from the bottle for this purpose as a liner, but I'm looking forward to use this one because it's just so beautiful. I love it. Look at this color, so cute. And this is it for today, guys. These are all the items, and let's go ahead and start doing some nails. Today I'm creating some press-on nails for my sister as a gift, and I'm gonna create for her 3 different sets. One for every day, one for going out, and one like a medium length that can be used either way for going out or for every day. She likes simple nails, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm starting with base gel, and I'm using this brand here from Amazon. And then I'm gonna continue with the thermal pink gel polish. I'm applying 2 coats of this gel and curing each layer for 30 seconds. And how are you guys? How have you been? And as you can see on the last 2 videos, I didn't talk. I do nails because it takes me away from my everyday stress, and it relaxes me. And sometimes I don't feel like talking in the videos because I just wanna enjoy the quiet moment. I apologize for that. I know that talking is better for the videos for YouTube because I do enjoy doing this and connecting with every single one of you that watch my videos and enjoy them. I appreciate that very much. But sometimes life gets tough, and sometimes you just need a quiet time, like do something that you enjoy, a hobby, and do it in silence, I guess. But I do hope that you enjoyed this video today, and I hope that you are doing very well. And I'm just going through a rough time right now in my life, but as I mentioned before, this is an activity that relaxes me and disconnect me from other issues that can be fixed at the moment, but they need time to be fixed. And this is it. So here I am. Sorry about all the rambling here. I start working onto the second set right now. These ones are the short almond, and I'm painting the nails in green. I already apply a coat of the base gel first, and I cure it up for 30 seconds. So this green is from Macar and is very beautiful. I'm going to apply 2 layers, and the third layer is gonna be from the magnetic gel polish. It's gonna create a very nice contrast. As you can see, it's looking like a pearl kind of look. And once this is cured, I'm gonna go ahead with some pigment powder.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from.
And for the third set, I'm creating a medium length coffin, and I'm using this beautiful red glitter and applying 2 coats of this beautiful red glitter and curing each layer in between for about 30 to 60 seconds. And this is gonna be semi-transparent, but I'm pretty sure if you apply a different color as a base first, this glitter will look very beautiful as well. But for today I decided just to leave it like this, semi-transparent, and I love it regardless. And for all this set today, I use a rubber top coat from Born Pretty, and it's so easy to use. It levels up very nicely and it gives you a very nice finish, and it's extremely shiny as well. And I'm gonna be curing this for 60 seconds and I'll be right back with the final result for today. And this is it, guys. These are all the nails together. I love them. I think they're really cute. And I think my sister is gonna like them. Thank you so much to everyone who stayed until the end of the video. If you did, I appreciate that pretty much. Like, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next video.